An article in BusinessWorld comprehensively discussed the potential of the local electric vehicle industry to become a player in the global EV supply chain. The article quoted government officials and other EV industry stakeholders about the potential of the country to carve a niche in commercial EV manufacture. In the article, officials from the Board of Investments, such as Executive Director Maria Corazon H. de Chosa, expressed confidence in our current standing within the global EV supply chain, citing the electric PUV and three-wheeler assemblers already in the country, as well as companies assembling battery packs locally and supplying relevant electronics components for EVs. The article also quoted Electric Vehicle Association of the Philippines, or EVAP Chairman Emeritus Ferdinand I. Raquel Santos, saying that the country can develop local production of commercial vehicles to supply the local market and for regional export. Raquel Santos added that everybody is focused on passenger cars, so we should focus on something that they are not in, such as Asian utility vehicles. However, some observers say that there may be a significant mismatch between ambition and reality. Pessimists note that many countries, notably China and Thailand, have already established themselves as dominant players in the EV market, particularly in manufacturing and assembly. Despite the Philippines hosting several local assemblers and burgeoning base market for public utility vehicle modernization, significant foreign investment, particularly from original equipment manufacturers or OEMs, remains conspicuously absent. There is a palpable disinterest from established brands in entering the Philippine market for completely knocked-down assembly, they added. Officials and industry stakeholders hinge their optimism on the Electric Vehicle Industry Development Act that would provide a foundation for growth in the sector. They also noted that EV adoption is projected to reach 5% by the end of the year due to the influx of new vehicle releases and a narrowing price gap with internal combustion engines. Also pointed out are investments in electric commercial vehicles that aid in upgrading and electrifying the public transport system. The pessimists, however, argue that the Philippines lags behind other countries, such as Thailand, which have more local parts makers and better supply chains, making production cheaper. Producing EVs in the Philippines can be more expensive compared to nations with more developed automotive infrastructures. They add that greater bureaucracy and hurdles in obtaining permits in the Philippines may deter foreign investments compared to more favorable conditions in other countries. While acknowledging the benefits offered by EVIDA, the pessimists said the incentives may not be sufficient compared to those available in competing countries. Also hampering growth of local manufacture and assembly of EVs is the fact that many Filipinos are still unaware of the full benefits of EVs. Many stakeholders believe that for the country to hurdle the stumbling blocks noted by the pessimists, policies tailored to specifically address the unique needs of the automotive industry must be prioritized to make the Philippines an attractive destination for OEMs. Focused efforts on educating potential customers about the benefits of EVs are essential in driving adoption rates beyond the projected 5%. Accelerating the development of charging infrastructures would also be critical to foster an environment conducive to EV adoption. Finally, investing in local manufacturing capabilities and creating a more robust supply chain should be a government and industry priority to boost competitiveness.